In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet and Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now you need to be logged into your Dexscreener profile, right? So this is the motion by Dexscreener. The very first thing you need to do, you need to install Phantom Wallet as app. Go to your web Chrome browser or go to your web Chrome store and install the Phantom Wallet extension immediately, right? Once I've installed it, set everything up, right? And ensure it's added to your amongst extension right here. So once you are done, you can see I have $1.84 right here. So what you need to do, you need to click on this connect, right? Once you have clicked on this connect, we want to connect our Phantom Wallet to the screen. I click on this Phantom Wallet, the second one. Once I've clicked on it, our wallet has been connected automatically. And once it has connected, you can trade a whole lot of meme coins for yourself here on Moonshot by Dexscreener on this Solana, right? You can trade a whole lot of meme coins for yourself once you have been able to connect your Phantom Wallet and your Dexscreener. If you click on this token right here, this is Pingo with a market cap of $815,000 with a total volume of $6 million, right? In just 5 hours. That is a whole lot of volume. So you can be able to buy this token right here. You can be able to buy, you can be able to sell once you have successfully connected your Phantom Wallet to your Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.